Hi my lovelies, how are you guys doing? So I feel it's been such a long time since I've spoken to you guys, and I thought that let me, sit down and take you through a really amazing box that I got this month. And since we've already entered summer of 2018 and it's already like 3 months have already passed and it's getting hotter by the day, and I really thought to kind of show you this month's Glamego box that I got, because this, firstly, the theme is so cool. Just look at this box, isn't it so pretty? Like, this looks really fancy to me because firstly it's neon and then it has this popsicle on it and it's screaming summer to me. And I really thought to show you this month's box because it's firstly so inexpensive. It retails only for $3.99, which is for 1 month, and if you take a subscription which is for 1 year, then you have to pay only $2.99. so in $2.99 you get amazing products. So I'm going to be showing you all what I got in this month's Glamego box. So let's get started. I mean, how pretty is this box? Firstly, it's looking so cute, and it has this clasp thing, unlike their previous boxes which used to have that cardboard thing which used to fit from here. Store it for keeping your stuff easily. And this month's box is absolutely amazing because they have amazing products which are much more than the value of this box. So I'll show you all the products that I got this month. So firstly, when we open up this box, we have this card right here. They have a My Island Kiss lip balm, then they have a Tjori Anti Tan pack, then they have a NELF USA compact, VEDIC Line gold facial, and a summer treat. So summer treat can be different in every box, but these 4 products are going to be there in every box. And this is how it's kept. So let me take you through all the products separately. Firstly, this VEDIC Line gold facial, and this is a I think it looks like it has goodness of saffron, and it's going to keep your skin very healthy. And I'm excited to try this because it has almond oil, jojoba oil, vitamin E, and it has all the amazing essential oils in this. And I think this is definitely needed because whenever you're going for a party and you don't want to head to a salon, you can definitely do such a gold facial at home. So I'm quite excited to try this. I'll probably be doing a Insta post on this, so if you're not following me on Instagram, you should definitely hit the links in the description box. I'll leave it on the screen also, or I'll leave it somewhere here if possible. I'll leave my Instagram links in the description box, so make sure you follow me on Instagram because I do amazing reviews on Instagram and all the behind the scenes on my Insta stories. So if you're not following me there, you should definitely follow there first. So the VEDIC Line gold facial comes in these 6 steps. So I'll take you through all the steps. The first one is the gold Ojas cleanser. So this is the cleanser, and then it comes in this scrub. Second step is the scrub, and then the third step is the cream. I think this is the normal cream, that massage cream or probably, and then there is a massage gel which is the 4th step, and then they have a gold Ojas pack, and finally we have a gold Ojas moisture serum. So I really like that they have a lot of different steps for giving a proper facial at home. The only con that I found in this was that it is in this sachet kind of a form, because it is so difficult to store these after one time usage. I personally like the packaging which comes in the tube form, which is easy to store. You can easily use it for the second time. I think this is to be used more than 1 time, so I think it's going to be really inconvenient if you have to use it the second time. I think you'll probably have to clip it and keep it because they have creams and gels which can easily dry, but I'm still looking forward to using it for the first time. And I think it's I'll let you know on my Instagram what I feel about this product, and make sure you're following me on Instagram where I do all the product reviews. I'll probably be telling you each and every step on my Instagram story, so make sure you follow me. The link is in the description box. So the next product is this NELF USA compact. So let's just open this up. So I have it in the shade Ivory 02. So this is what the compact looks like, and it comes with this puff which is barely of any use. Mostly I never use these puffs until unless it's really required, I'm traveling or something. So then this is the Ivory 202 compact. Let me just show you a swatch. Texture feels very smooth, I was thinking that it will be probably not that fine. Luckily the texture is quite smooth and the color hopefully matches me. It seems pretty nice. The only con that I found was the packaging. Plastic seems very cheap. The product looks good, but the packaging looks really very normal, nothing very fancy, and the plastic on it is not of very good quality. So this retails for only for 350, but I personally feel that other brands which are retailing for similar price have better packaging. So if you're looking for something in the similar range, and if you are wanting to go for something which has good packaging, then you should not think of this product. But if you just want to see this product for the product inside, then you should probably try it, and I'll be definitely using it and letting you know how long this lasts, whether it's a long lasting compact or not. So you'll have to stay tuned to my Instagram to kind of know about all these products separately. But otherwise, I'm excited to try this because of its texture. So now let's move on to the next product, and then we have this Tjori Anti Tan pack. And this when I opened this, like, it was wrapped in a plastic and it smelled very herbally. So this strong is very strong, because if you this is made of turmeric. So if you have seen the organic turmeric, it smells a little strong. So since it has turmeric, it will smell a little strong. If you don't like products with strong smells, then you should definitely avoid this. But I am looking forward to trying this because it says anti-tan, and since summers are here and your arms or your neck or your face gets tanned, or your body gets tanned, I hope that this product lives up to its expectation. The ingredients include the bentonite clay, which is the multani mitti, and then they have essential oils, and then they have turmeric, natural white clay. So I really hope that this product works up to its ingredient list, and I'm really looking forward, and I'll let you know soon how this works. We also have this natural bath and body clarifying face mask. So I've probably got this in my previous Glamego box also, and this brand Natural Bath and Body is a good brand because they have really nice face masks. They have one red clay one also, which was very nice. This one is for the combination to oily skin types, and the red one is more so for the dry to normal skin. But these are really good to travel with. So this one is a good size to try. I think it'll probably have 3 to 4 uses, or maybe 4 to 5 uses of product. A nice product that they have put in the box. And finally we have the Island Kiss lip balm, and I'd heard a lot about this lip balm, but I've never tried it. And this is the this is in the variant Cherry Blossom. So I'll show you the product. The packaging looks really very classy. If you've seen Benefits packaging, or if you've seen the balms packaging, so it reminds me of the balms packaging. It's very classy, and it screams summer because I really love this color. This is like, and it's very good to travel with, because if you are like a person who likes to wear matte lipsticks, and if you feel that your lips get dry constantly when you wear matte lipsticks, then you should definitely carry these lip tints. I think this is a cherry color lip balm. Let me just show you the texture. It smells of bubble gum. Yeah, it smells very bubble gum to me. So this is what it looks like. This is the texture. Oh, I think it's got a little dried, or maybe the texture is only thick. The texture seems very thick. Okay, the texture seemed very thick, but when I rub it in, it's dissolving. So it gives a very nice pinky color tint to your lips, and I am looking forward to trying this. I hope this product is going to be a good lip balm, because I am very choosy for my lip balms, and I feel some lip balms are more so like very waxy, they're not very smooth, and I really like lip balms which are very smooth, and which glide on your lips and then they stay and they actually moisturize your lips. So I hope with the lip tint color it actually stays put for a very long time, or it moisturizes. And it says that it's 100% pure. In ingredients, it has cocoa and mango butter, it has beeswax, then it has carrot seed oil, pure castor oil, vitamin E oil, and cherry blossom essential oil. So all the oils that are used in really good lip balms, and it seems to be pretty good and organic, and I'm really looking forward to trying this product. So this month's Glamego box I would really recommend, because firstly the packaging in itself is so cute and the products are totally worth it. That you have like 5 products. So one is the lip balm, one was the face mask, and then you had the compact, and then you had the gold facial, and then the anti-tan pack. So out of all these, I think all the products seem very promising, and the packaging is obviously to die for. So I would definitely suggest you, this is definitely approved by me. So in $2.99 you get products for more than, I guess, 1,500 to 2,000 value. I definitely recommend you this box, because they have amazing products and they have value for money. So I think you should definitely go and buy this month's Glamego box. I'm looking forward for the next month's subscription also. So leave it in the comments below and tell me what did you think of this month's Glamego box. And if you haven't seen my previous Glamego box videos, then I'll leave it somewhere here, or I'll leave it I'll link it at the end of my video, or I'll leave it in the description box. So I have done a lot of unboxings of my previous Glamego box, so if you want to have an idea what kind of brands that they have, so you should definitely check out those videos. And if you liked watching this unboxing video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and make sure you subscribe this channel. And yes, don't forget to hit the bell notifications, because you will not be notified of my future videos. And I'm planning amazing videos for you guys. Let me know if you want to see more beauty videos, or more fashion videos, or more food videos, or more lifestyle videos, and I have all planned for you guys, and I would look forward to kind of give you the videos that you are looking for. So make sure you leave it in the comments, and I will be seeing you in my next video. Bye guys. Okay guys, wait, before you exit, if you haven't seen my previous videos, make sure you click here and here, and if you haven't subscribed, make sure you hit the button right here, and you will be notified of all my future videos. Make sure you hit the bell notifications also, and I'll be coming up with amazing videos for you guys. So don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye.